Here it is, Christmas has rolled around again and anxiety levels are already rising, the thought of having to cook and serve a Christmas lunch to your family and friends. Well, at Gourmet Dinner Service, we make it easy. We've been cooking dinner, Christmas lunch for people for the last 18 years. We've got a hugely extensive menu. Nothing beats a freshly glazed baked ham on Christmas Day. It typifies everything about the day, that and a glass of champagne. And we can offer you a glazed ham, or we can offer you a ready-to-bake glazed ham. And I'm here to talk to you about why I think you should take it as a ready-to-bake and glaze it on the day, because it's really, really easy, and if you can use a paintbrush, you can glaze your ham. So this is actually how it comes. I've taken it out of the bag. So when we deliver it to you, you leave it in the fridge and it comes in a sealed bag. You take it out of the bag and put it into a deep oven dish. And then tip all the glaze in, and you'll see it's all dripping around the side. All you need to do is just baste it before it goes into the oven. And you do that twice more in the hour that you cook it in the oven, and it is done. We now need to allow the ham to come to room temperature for about an hour before we bake it. So just cover it with some plastic or a tea towel and then come back in an hour. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 160 degrees. Give it one quick baste with your trusty paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, you can use a spoon. So now that we've basted it, I'm going to then put it in the lower half of the oven. It's at 160. I'm popping it in, and then I'm going to set my timer for an hour, and then I'm going to come back twice in that hour and baste it. There we go. 1 hour has passed. We've basted this beauty twice after each 20 minutes. Last 20 minutes is in the oven. And now we are bringing out this magnificent glazed ham, which you can take all the credit for. Look at that beauty. Fantastic. Now, one of the very special reasons to glaze a ham at home is the smell that permeates the whole kitchen. Adds a beautiful atmospheric feel to Christmas, but even better is this glaze that is in the bottom of the pan. Now when you get it already glazed, you don't get all of that glaze, and this is the stuff to die for. So when you carve your ham, you get a lovely piece of fresh bread, butter, and then you put some of this magnificent fig glaze on it. Fantastic. So one last tip for you is how to store the ham. So allow this to cool and then serve it. But when you're ready to put it away, then all I would do is get a big plastic bag and then cover, encase the whole pot and tie it up and seal it. Now this will be good for about 5 days. After that, then you'll need to discard any of the glaze at the bottom of the pan, if there's any left by that stage, and wrap it in a tea towel and then seal it again in a tight plastic bag. But your ham will last 2 weeks from cooking today. Enjoy. Bon appetit.